Your bonnet is not your friend. Two braids absolutely need a scarf. A bonnet is going to ruin your style and you're going to be needing it done within a couple days. If you guys do not know how to prep for braids at all, I would check out this playlist. I'm going to link it here so that way you guys can get to it. Also, it's going to be in the description below, and the one that I would think would go best for the two braids would be this very first one in this playlist. If you're about to get two braids, or if you're about to do two braids and you want them to last longer, listen up. I'm LaRose. I've been doing hair for over 20 years. Braids is one of my specialties, and I'm going to show you some tips that actually have helped me get these type of styles to last a lot longer. One, the very first thing you want to do is look at that person's hair texture. Is that person's hair texture going to swell as soon as it touches some water? Majority of us that we are into the softer textures, they can handle the jams and things like that. And the ones that are in the thicker textures and it's a lot more curlier, like the 4C girlies, you want to do them in a dry mold if you really want it to last long. Your next one is going to be, you want to make sure that you are doing sectioning when you are doing your layer for your mold. If you are doing a dry mold or if you're doing one with jam, you still want to make sure that you are doing layers to mold it down. That's going to give you a very tight two braids. You want it so that way it does smooth in, and you want it so that way it doesn't lift as it gets close to the braid. In order to get that to work right, you have to make sure you do it in layers. Also, if you are sweating, always tie that hairstyle down. Tie it down until you are done sweating and until you are not wet anymore. Take your scarf off and you're still wet, it's going to revert.